Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on a rule of significant figures called non-zero. So, first, what is significant figures pa? So, significant figures, ito yung mga significant numbers para pag magra-round off ka ng number, maging exact pa rin yung value na makukuha mo or precise or accurate yung value, yung sariling value ng isang magnitude. So, 846, meron siyang 3 significant figures. So, paano naman pag 3, 5, 4, 6? How many significant figures here? We have 4. I'm just going to count it. So, 3. So, 7, 0, 4. So, how many significant figures here? Is just 3. So, hindi pa rin nag-apply yung rule dito na non-zero. So, nag-apply na siya, I think. So, we have 4. Also 4 dito. So, we can just gonna count this. Kapag nasa gitna yung 0, we're just going to count through. So what now? If we have 5, 0, 0, and look at this, we have 0 dun sa kanan and wala siyang any number na mas greater sa 0. So 1 lang siya. And paano naman pag 500 point? So pag may decimal, ano yan? It's counted true. So 3 significant figures meron dyan. So if we have 500.0, we will just count true. So we got 4 significant figures. And number 8, if you have 500, no, I already did write that. Wait. We have 0.075. What we're going to do is just count from left to right. So, the right side. So, 2 significant figures. Just count that thing. And hindi natin i-include yung 0. Now, let's get to more problems. So, what if we have 0.00836? So, how many significant figures here? So, we have 3. We're just going to count from 8 to 6. Hindi natin include yung mga zeros dyan. So, as if we have 0.00508. So, significant part 3, 0. So, just count from left to right. And hindi natin include yung 0 sa kabila. So, we got 5. So, include natin yung 0 from the right side because there's a decimal. Oops, what's happened? So, what if we have 4,250? So, we're just gonna count this. So, we got 3. As you can see, we're not including the 0 from the right side. So, as pwede rin dito. So, 3 rin siya. Include natin yung 0 sa gitna ng number na greater than 0. So, we got here is 4. We put it a decimal. So, therefore, we're just going to count true. Now, let's move on to more problems. What if we have 0.00703? So, how many significant figures here? We have 3. So, what if we have 0.08060? So, how many significant figures? We're just going to count from here. So, we got 4. We're going to include the 0 from the right side because we have a decimal. And what if we have this? So, what we're going to do here is just count all of them. So, we got 5. That's our answer. So, let's have a much bigger number. 750.06408. So, what we're going to do is just count through. And we're going to include the 0 from the right because may decimal. Now, let's move on to more problems. So, what if we have 404? So, we have 3. That's significant figures. So, what if we have 5006? How many significant figures here? We have 4. So what if 70,080? So we're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not gonna include the 0 from the right side because wala naman siyang decimal. So we got 4. We're not going to include this thing. Only if there's a decimal, we're just going to include it. Just like this one. So if there's a decimal, we're just going to include it. So if we have 50,060, we're just going to count from here, not including the 0 from the right side. So we got 4. So what we have 0.0153. So let's just count this from here to there. So we got 3. So if we have 0.0001008. So how many significant figures? We have 4. So let's do some more problems. Much bigger ones. So what if you have 0.00010700, and how many significant figures? We're just going to count from starting from the 1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got that. We're going to include the 0 from the right because meron siyang decimal again. So if we have 0.0507080, we're just going to count starting from 5. So we got 7 as our answer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And next off is multiplying significant figures, adding them, subtracting, and dividing them. And